When United Methodist Communities announced our new strategic plan in 2018, nobody knew that the world would change so dramatically. But our vision for the future remains the same: to offer compassionate service and an abundant life to the residents we serve. We'll continue to grow through creativity, innovation, and gracious hospitality. After watching the UMC family take on challenges these past few months, I know that together we can achieve that vision. We've been planning on how and when UMC will reopen to our families in the wider community, and no doubt these months of separation have been difficult on all concerned. We can hardly wait to open the doors and re-engage in the abundant life that UMC is known for. As a 40-year veteran in the senior living field, I know the importance of safety, and while it has always been a very important value at UMC, during this crisis, it has taken on a heightened significance. We know that it is crucial to our residents and associates. So just as we have been united against COVID-19 these past months, I am proud to introduce UNITEDforSAFETY, a new, industry-leading standard of infection control and cleanliness for United Methodist Communities. UNITEDforSAFETY is our commitment to put your health and safety at the forefront of your UMC experience. So whether you are a current resident living at a UMC community, or as you consider where to call home for the next chapter of your life, we'll be united together to help ensure that you can indeed live the abundant life. I humbly thank you for putting your trust in UMC. That trust is deeply valued by every member of the UMC family. Safety has always been a top priority, and right now, during this unprecedented crisis, it is our focus. As essential workers, the men and women of UMC have been hard at work to provide a safe environment for our residents and associates. We recognize that COVID-19 has brought infection control, cleanliness, and hygiene standards to the front of your mind, and we are not leaving a stone unturned in our pursuit to protect you. During the community lockdown, all high-touch areas are being cleaned hourly using products certified by the Environmental Protection Agency. We utilize sanitizing products which kills 99% of all bacteria, and we are also utilizing electrostatic sprayers, which is a revolutionary touchless 360-degree disinfecting and sanitizing process for today's cleaning, housekeeping, and infection control experts. These sprayers give disinfectant and sanitizing droplets a magnetic capability that allows them to wrap around surfaces in hard-to-reach areas for up to 80% more coverage than traditional spray bottles, buckets, or rags. All UMC staff have received training on these highly effective sanitization routines and procedures. UMC purchased portable negative air pressure machines to protect the environment for our residents. And we've invested in specialty UV light sanitization equipment which thoroughly sanitizes the entire room with its use. All of our residents have their temperature taken twice daily, and the staff at the beginning of their shift. At this time, all associates are tested weekly for COVID-19. And, as we are permitted to give entry for visitation to our communities, all visitors will be screened. Lastly, everyone will be required to wear face coverings. But we're not stopping there. We've teamed up with the Association for Professionals in Infection Control and Epidemiology, also known as APIC, to provide and adopt the best practices in infection control in order to set a new standard for cleanliness and a safe environment for you. All our infection control specialists are certified by APIC, and they're working toward certification of infection prevention and control. The CIC credential identifies healthcare professionals who have shown mastery and knowledge and a commitment to best practices in infection prevention and control. APIC provides all UMC associates a robust resource to keep them at the cutting edge of infection control practice. With APIC at our side, we've created a rigorous quality assurance program, and of course we will follow the directives and guidance coming out of the New Jersey Department of Health and the Centers of Disease Control. While we may not know when this pandemic will subside, what we do know is that the place you call home must be a safe place, and that is our commitment to you. It doesn't matter how nice the amenities are at the fanciest senior community around. There's simply no substitute for peace of mind and for feeling safe. All of us at UMC appreciate the trust you put in us, and we thank you for your support. Even in these difficult times, I'm confident in and looking forward to the future at United Methodist Communities.